And in this video, I'd like to show you how to create adding some controlling points to make a better transition in terms of resolution. And usually, for ocean applications, we want a high resolution, a low resolution in the deep ocean, and smaller resolution on the shallow ocean and in coastal bays. And the SMMS will gradually reduce or change the resolution from based on our setup. For example, in this case, we have 10 kilometers in the deep Gulf and 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers on the coastline. But we don't like that because we want a little bit higher resolution on the entire shelf. So how can we do that? The first thing you want to do is to use different global map. For example, this world in imagery. And you can click and select which GIS data you want to use. And we want to use this word imagery. Keep in mind that is satellite images, so it takes a lot of time to process. And with this map, you will see how the land, but also some bathymetry informations are in the deep Gulf. What you see here along this line is the shelf edge or the shelf break. And we want to add some controlling points along the shelf. A better way may be to include some bathymetry data and so that you can have a more accurate control about the controlling points. But now let's use this satellite-based bathymetry. Okay, we just create an arc and we want to make the resolution to 0.05. Yes. Okay. Now we have 5 kilometer resolution. No. Let's put it to 10. Let's put it to 10 kilometers. Yeah. So in the deep Gulf, we have 10 kilometers from the deep Gulf all the way to the shore break, and in the shore break, it gradually change to 5 kilometers. And you want to make some adjustment on this line as well. Think about this is 5 kilometers and this is 10, and you can make some. You also have a better transition. So in this case, we want to use the min max space. So you can make 5 minimum and 0.1 is 10 kilometers maximum. Yeah, it will make a grid a little bit better. So we do the same thing to this one as well. Go. Yes, with that is build polygon and map to 2D mesh. In this case, you have better control of the deep ocean, and you can control any resolution issues with such techniques. And keep in mind, you need to save your files as frequently as possible. But it doesn't allow me to save because I'm using the community version, so I can only save the entire project with one mesh. So the solution would be just remove the previous mesh. I mean, the mesh is not a big problem. The map is the major thing you want to keep a really copy of different type of different maps. So you can save again. Just select some, Yeah, I see. For example, mouse 689. I usually will save different versions. For example, we set this version 1 and 1. Yeah, that's it.